Hey everyone, it's Carissa Wiley at sprinkledwithglitter.com. Welcome to my craft room and thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so happy you're here. I have some really exciting news to share with all of you. I have a full event calendar this year for both virtual and in-person card making and paper crafting events. So I think I have almost one event per month that you can join me at this year. And all of these are great, high quality events from companies that you love, like Concord and Ninth, Scrapbook and Cards Today, Altenew, The Stamp Market, Spellbinders, and I will be teaching an in-person event in Yosemite in California in April, and there's a couple spots for that left. Now, I wanted to stop by and share with you today because several of the registrations for these events are closing this week. So if you want to get in on these events, you have to act early and you have to register ahead of time. And I am sharing all of the links, all of the registration information about all of these events that I'm going to be teaching at over at my blog. So you will find a link to that blog post below, and there you will find out when you have to register by. It will provide the link for registration and as well as any discount code or coupon code that I have that you can use to sign up and save a little money. Now there's a couple of these registrations that close this week. There is a couple that just opened. I have an early bird coupon code for one of these events that expires at the end of the week. So you just want to make sure that you jump in on this opportunity and get into these classes, because once the registration closes, unfortunately, the opportunity is gone. And then you see everybody creating online with all of these fabulous products and you feel left out. And I don't want you to feel left out. Now, I love to teach. It's one of my favorite things to do. And I love to see all of you at these events. I love to say hey and connect with you in different ways. So I hope you'll be able to join me for one or all of these retreats. So head on over to sprinkledwithglitter.com. I'll put the link in the YouTube description below so that you can check out all the information on these virtual and in-person card making and paper crafting events that you can join me for this year. I can't wait to see you there. And until next time, I hope you have a fabulous day.